Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll use affirmations as a way to recognize and celebrate our own worth. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to notice your posture. Adjust your seat so that your spine is long and you can sit tall. And even though there is some effort in sitting up straight, keep your body relaxed. Let your shoulders release and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. And as your body begins to settle in, take a moment to let go of expectations. Let go of your commitments. Let go of whatever you don't need to carry into your practice with you. Now turn your awareness to your breath. Allow your breath to be just as it is. When we bring attention to our breath, the tendency is to inadvertently start to lengthen and shape it. See if you can observe your breath exactly as it is without changing it. And start to notice the qualities of your breathing. Is your breath long or short? Does it feel shallow or deep? Does your breath have a particular temperature or texture to it? Notice your entire cycle of breath, from the very start of your inhale all the way to the bottom of your exhale, and let your awareness rest there. And now, without changing anything, zone into your breath at your nostrils. Notice the sensations of your breath as it first enters and last exits your body at the tip of your nose. Pay attention to the sensations there. Now, follow your attention a little lower to your chest and notice how your breath moves there. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest. And note any sensations around your breath in this area. And now follow your breath a little lower to your belly and feel the breath there. Notice your belly expand and release with your inhales and exhales. And note the sensations around your breath there. And for the next few moments, choose the place where your breath feels the most accessible. It might be your nostrils, your chest, or your belly. And wherever it feels the easiest or the most comforting for you, rest your attention there, noticing the ebb and flow and the sensations of your breath. Now, let your attention relax and soften. We'll begin to silently repeat some affirmations. Simply hear the words and repeat them silently to yourself. Try to feel into the words and receive them with a sense of kindness and compassion. I accept myself just as I am. I accept myself just as I am. I am strong and confident. I am strong and confident. I am kind and compassionate. I am kind and compassionate. I have many beautiful qualities. I have many beautiful qualities. I continue to grow and change for the better. I continue to grow and change for the better. I deserve to be successful and happy. I deserve to be successful and happy. I deserve the love I am given. I deserve the love I am given. I love and accept myself fully. I love and accept myself fully. Affirmations can be a beautiful and simple way to reconnect with our capacity to hold ourselves in high regard and to learn to care for ourselves the way we care for others. So here's an invitation. Write down a handful of affirmations of your own and post them in a few different places so that they serve as reminders of your inherent qualities and of your self-esteem. Take short pauses throughout your day to breathe calmly and repeat these affirmations once or twice. Now gently return to your breath. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice the quality of your breath. Notice any sensations, any emotions. There is no right or wrong here. Just give yourself permission to notice your experience just as it is. Now take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this session. See you again tomorrow.